Hey there, this is Emmanuel from Revstar, and happy Valentine's to you. So today I will be walking you through how to activate payment gateway in your Revstar, merchant dashboard as a merchant, and also we explore some other, features of Revstar that you probably might not know of, but that you need to know about, right? So before then, just wanted to let you know, Revstar is all about providing African merchants with AI-powered business management software to create storefront, manage inventory, record sales, and others, point of sale, get AI-powered business insights, in-depth analysis, and lot more. Now let's go into the session and let's see what the wonders you can perform right inside Revstar. So here you once you go over to your login page, that's app.userevstar, right, .com, it takes you to your login page and you enter your login details. So I'm going to enter my login detail right now. Okay, I think I missed my password again. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it works. And you see, the first thing you're going to note or probably observe, when you log into your dashboard is right now we've just added this to your store. So the kind of algorithm behind this is if we observe that you have not made any sale as a merchant, you are going to get this this more like call to action telling you to share your store. And when you click it, you're going to be able to share your store, right? But on social media, on Twitter and on Facebook. So it's one of those things, and probably if you are not cool with this link or sorry this text, right? You can generate a new one. It takes 0. T- 2 milliseconds to generate a new promotional message. You can click it and you keep generating new one. So you have this here. Once you click it, it tells you it has been clicked, and you can go over to your WhatsApp status, post it, paste it there, and send it, or probably Twitter, send it, or Facebook. You can share it on Facebook too. So that's one of the things you can do. But let's go straight into the business of today, right? So to activate payment as a merchant in your storefront, you know, over to settings, right? In settings, you see general settings, right? And you are going to be presented with this, but you are not coming here. And just as a let me quickly tell you this, as a merchant, if you discover that your link your store link is too long, you can change it, right? You can change it, but to change your store link, uh you can only change it once every 30 days. So if you change it now, that's until the next month, until next month after 30 days. That's when you can change it. So we give you that ability to change it. So but to activate your payment gateway, go over to payment gateways, and you have your payment gateway here. Right now, Rest only supports two payment gateways, which are Paystack and Flutterwave. So in our case, we are going to do Paystack, right? We enable Paystack. Flutterwave has already been enabled, and to disable you can disable, and also to enable you can enable. Same thing for Paystack too, right? You can enable too. So is one of those things that it is as easy as that. That's what it means to activate payment gateway. And should in case your payment gateway is deactivated, right? Maybe for one reason or the other, probably a team member deactivate your account, your payment gateway. Once you sign in and you go over to your dashboard, you are going to get notified there that okay, enable payment method. So all you have to do is click it, and it takes you to settings, right? And go to payment gateway tab and enable your payment gateway, and and you are good to go. That's what it means to that's how you enable payment gateway. And another beautiful part of Revstar is you get your virtual bank your virtual account for your business. So if anybody sends some money to you, this is the name is going to show. So it's going to show your business name, glitches, surprises, and more. It's going to show it there, and you'll be good to go. And for service charge, we have instances where you might want to take the service charge on you instead of the customer paying it. You can enable service charge here. You can say merchant pays service charge. So if anybody, if anybody gets on your store and probably they want to order for something, right? Say they want to order for belts, right? And they click view details, and you add to cart, you you proceed to checkout, and let's enter name. Let's say let's say we want to order the customer now, right? And you click proceed. You do say Oyo State, or right, say Ibadan, say Akobo, Nigeria, continue. You have your detail here. You have this. So if you activate, Showdeck as a delivery shipping as a delivery, you can it will show there, and you click continue to payment, right? So as you can see, you see that here the it's not showing here. The service charge is not showing because service charge is on the merchant. So all you have to do is select either of the payment method and make payment, and you are good to go. So it's as simple as that. So that's it. And the other beautiful part of Revstar is you can you know you can you can set categories, right? You can set categories. Let's set categories. Let's import from product. Let's import categories. Yeah, you see that we have just imported categories right now. And in your category you can create another subcategory. Say beauty, right? You can say for beauty female. You can say female, right? And create the subcategory. And you can add another one, male. You can create you go ahead and create the category for you know for clothing too. You can say male wears, wears, right? Female wears, right? You can expand it and adjust this to wears, right? Yeah, so it's as good as that. And we also have collections, right? Collections can be anything. It can be just as today's Valentine's, you can say Valentine's sales. So you can go ahead and set a condition for your Valentine sales. Probably you create a category and you tag it Valentine's. You can say, okay, for this Valentine, I'm using, the collection type can be unpick product. That is, when you go over here and you wait a little bit, your product shows, right? You can select the product yourself. You can select the product and create the collection, right? But if you say automatic, that means it is rule